nobody love you but yourself, nigga. Yeah, she calling my shit like, hold on. She tryna fuck some all on my trap phone. Slide if you want to, wait as you talk. You finna leave with your back blown. Move work easy, slick I'm greasy. Wrist iced out, it's two-tone.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa, and I'm back with another wig tutorial. In this video, we'll be working with Arabella hair, you guys. They sent me over a 22-inch highlighted wig. In the beginning, I just showed y'all everything that came in the packaging of the wig, and I showed y'all the customization of the hair. I freaking love Arabella hair, y'all. They always send me the best wigs, y'all. This one was a full frontal. I know you girlies been looking for a full frontal wig, and this is it, y'all. So make sure y'all click the link in my bio and go shop this wig. Also, don't come for me about my plucking. I've learned that I love this type of plucking. It just works for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna be cutting off my ear tabs right here. You guys want to make sure you cut your ear tabs off just so the wig can be secured and snug to your head. I'm just parting out where I see fit, and then I'm just gonna cut off that excess lace right there, you guys. Also, what I love about this wig is that it is a full frontal. I don't know if I said that already, but if you wanted like a deep side part with this wig, you could definitely achieve that. You can achieve basically any type of style that you wanted on this wig because it is a full frontal, y'all, and the hair was super thick and I freaking loved it. So yeah, make sure to click the link in my bio and shop this wig. This is the glue that I use, you guys. It is the Boho Active for normal to dry skin, you guys. I used about 3 layers of this, even though I do switch out my wigs a lot. I just like when my wigs feel secure. Normally, I would wait till the glue is completely dry because that's when you get the most like the best results. But this, I was kind of rushing, y'all, so I didn't let it dry all the way. But never you mind that, because y'all know I'm the queen of melting lace. So after I'm done pressing the hair in just so it can stick to that glue, I will be going in and hiding that white glue that you see. Also, y'all, make sure to follow me on my Instagram at MissJBaby, and also on my TikTok. That's where I have been lately growing my social media platform. So if y'all want to follow me, make sure you go do that. And yeah, let's get into the blending. So right here, you guys, I am using the Ruby Kisses powder foundation mineral in the shade 16, which is a shade darker than me. I always go with a shade darker than me and a shade lighter than me just because I get the best results. And y'all see that piece that's hanging? I'm gonna go in and clip that off in a minute, so never you mind that. But yeah, I'm just gonna take the Ebin black holding spray and just spray all across my hairline just to give it that extra melt, y'all. Like, I really want to try the new Ebin melting spray, so I'm hoping to get my hand on that soon. But yeah, y'all, now I'm just going in with my blow dryer and I'm gonna cool it. Like, I'm blowing it on cool just so it won't be like tacky when I put the band on it, y'all. You have to cool it. You have to make sure it's like melted all the way in before you wrap it down, because you don't want to make like when you take the band off or anything, it's gonna be all sticky and stuff, like gooey and getting all over the place, y'all. So you want to make sure you wrap it down when it's cool and completely dry. I'm just going in with my melting band that I got from Amazon, y'all. I just cut it in half, and I love these type of melting bands just because it doesn't cover my whole forehead. It just covers just the right amount of lace for me. And y'all, don't kill me, but I was making TikToks while filming this YouTube video, so if you want to see the full install, make sure to go follow me on my TikTok at Miss J Baby, like I said before. But I basically just did this updo right here. It came out really, really cute, super pretty, y'all. And guys, I've been getting into my natural self lately. Like, I've been not wearing makeup a lot. But yeah, that's neither here or there. This is the back of how the wig's looking. Came out super cute. And then, y'all, I was going to New York, so I just switched up the style a little bit. This is a couple days after. I just switched it in a side part and put some curls into it. And it came out really, really cute, you guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like this wig, it will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Arabella again for sponsoring today's video. And thank you all for so much for still rocking with me, even though I haven't been consistent. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.